Can I tell them a story while we're starting? Hi guys, I just want to let you guys know of a story that happened the last time Essie did my hair. Honestly, just you'll cut this bit out, but really, I don't know how I'll ever speak to him again. I know I should get over it. I mean, would you get over it? Could you get over that?
You're talking to me?
Yeah.
I would like to say I could. I think I could if I was you, because I feel like I didn't even realise like you thought he was on mute. I just thought
I did. Why would I fart with him like the hearing? That's not just because I'm a joker does not mean to say that I don't know how to be a lady, you know? I do know how to be a lady.
Alright guys, let me tell you what happened, yeah? You're trying to hit me with big objects! I don't care! Elijah, come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? I just picked up the chair to see whether it tastes me. I picked up the chair to see whether it tastes me. Because you're trying to get the fan. Because I'm joking, I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me give you the... Go watch TV. Yay!
Alright, so let me tell you like what happened, right? Obviously Esther just thinks I'm a tramp. That's why she thinks I would have done this on purpose or done it and not cared. But guys, I did care. So what had happened was Esther was doing my hair, and that day, I don't know what had happened was, sorry, Esther was doing my hair. I don't know what kind of crap I'd eaten that day, but my belly was rotten. When I say it was rotten, I mean like I couldn't stop farting.